Hey, it's your girl Chab, and you're probably wondering what the heck is going on. You probably subscribe to me because y'all think I'm funny, and y'all is crazy. But what I've done is I compiled a bunch of videos from my channel that I think are pretty funny, at least in my opinion, my conspiracy allegedly. Y'all probably think I'm a little extra, so yeah. Tell your friends. If they were like, hey, what the heck, who's Chab? Just send them this video, okay? So, enjoy! Hey, it's your girl Chab today. No, that's not how I wanted to. Everybody be asking me, Chab, how? No. Hey, it's your girl Chab, and today I'm coming at you. No, why did I say that? Everybody be wants. Hey, it's your girl Chab, and today I'm coming at you. No, why did I keep saying coming at you? Everybody been asking me, Chab, how your face? Highlighter pop. Is that how I want to say it? In collaboration with Hey, it's your girl Chab, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make your highlighter pop. Yeah. Bronzer. What? Did I say highlighter or bronzer? If you wanna know how to make your highlighter pop, then let's get started. Okay, cool. And I'm gonna read it on the back so y'all know. Listen up and listen to the description, and maybe we will know but it will not call. So I don't know a lot of drugs are bought. Super shock. Stop reveling. Let's get voluminous. This is all still a really pretty wow. Especially if you have like I'm actually my soft bottom. This is the jacket. Guys, so what are my thoughts on first impressions? I said that wrong. Smooth. Master Prime Face by from Annabelle. Amp up your Anastasia ability. My brows, very, you know, glowing, defining brown. Come on, Chab, or what you like. Whoa. Oh, whoa, I almost fell. I don't know. Okay, that's not foundation. And what? I don't know if y'all can hear that. Okay. You were using it backwards. Look orange. I mean green, yellow. I'm digging my lip with this side of the pencil. I need Nikki tutorials on this right away. I need to get You keep putting it on my teeth. We got now. I know you. I'm done. You just start after party too. You're just gonna go be a hoe. Okay, that's fine. Oh, I almost threw up. Yo, I just hit my face. Then let's get hourglass. Oh my god! Wait, no. See, that's a. I'm sorry. Talk right, Chab. Talk right. And to get you in the football spirit, I'm gonna be taking my special beauty sponge today. So we are going to overdraw like we overdraw our bank accounts all the time. So we're just gonna make this a strike, and hopefully, you know, we win the Stanley Cup. NARS! What the heck, guys? Oh, Chiquito, I am bamboozled of your face, and then you just wing it out. All my makeup is sanitary. All of it's sanitary. So on this side, we are repping the Philadelphia Eagles. I don't own your eyebrows. They're your eyebrows. I don't want that. I got my own. And on this side, we are repping the New England Patriot. All right, so it should look like you got punched in the eye. And if it looks like this, then you're doing it right. I'm gonna take it a little bit on the hairline because I didn't bring my Nerf today. Usually it's Nerf. Girl, you looking so smooth. Like a freshly shaved leg. I should have through. It's like a woman that is running through a field of flowers, and she's wearing. I'm trying to keep it cool for so long. She's wearing a white floral dress. It's usually Nerf or nothing. I'm crying. And she's like at a barn somewhere in Colorado or something, and she's trying to go to the beach because she just wants to swim. I'll use a glove and then I'll punch you in the face because you probably got some staph infection. You'd be quarantined. This is like the hardest video I've ever had to do. Just to show you where the flick ended. I don't know how many years ago. Ay, Dios mío. Your girl right here is not blessed with the DSL. Look it up. Oh, so close. Right, so Karen's got the blindfold on. How many fingers am I holding up? 3. It's 4. Oh, so close! Your help, assistant. You said you got it.
Yeah, I did.
Dang it, I thought I would get it. Baby sister, how old are you?
17.
Ew. What is this? That's my eyelid.
That's nasty.
With your clients, you want to be very gentle. You're done?
Yeah.
Okay, now you... Whoa. What? You're done. Okay. Blush, brush, rush, crush, lush, mush, bush. That's bush. Shh. Shush. She's a little lost, okay? You know, she was, you know, walking around Walmart. Hasn't been to that store before. She's just used to her local Walmart, okay? Moist. Moist. Hello, Urban. Did you find your canned peas? Bobo! Oh, shoot. We done found her. Destiny, we saw. Makeup Revolution, what are you doing? Exact same level of suck. Before, she's just used to her local Walmart, okay? I would have named the color Twerk if I had the chance, but it would have been like this color right here because it's the color of my butt. As her local Walmart, okay? We found her. She's here. You know, we're looking for her. Oh, there she is. Hello, Urban. Did you find your canned peas and your corn? She got a coupon for it, okay? She got a coupon. What the heck am I talking about? I don't know. Girl, make new videos every Friday. Hey! Y'all didn't know I could sing, right? Oh yeah, alright. This little life of mine. Ew. I'm gonna let it shine. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm wishing for you. Ooh, ooh. Trying to do what lovers do. Ooh. Go, 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 go. Hey, go, go.
Fill my life with gladness. Take away all my sadness. Ease my troubles. That's what you do.
I believe I can fly. Woo! Hey. I'm doing this tonight. We're probably gonna start a fight. Like some crazy buddy. Throw the glue on them lashes. Yeet, yeet. And then it goes grrrrah. And I go clap, clap, clap. Hey, go. Watch out. Oh. That was good. Girl, Clara's Sonic. More like freaking Dance-a-Sonic. Product of all time. Look right here. Look right there. Bye. Oh my god! I didn't know he was there. Does transfer. Did you want treats? Oh, he looked at me. Costco keeps the cost low. Bring the hashtags on. Hashtag not spawns. Hashtag not spawns. Hashtag not spawns. Bobby Brown. Hashtag not spawns. Hashtag not spawns. Nike. Hashtag not spawns. Hashtag not spawns. Hashtag not spawns 2018. Hashtag not spawns. Not spawn. Not spawns. No stuff. Blah, 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 not spawns. And then the Wombo combo right here. Hashtag Wombo combo highlighter. Hashtag I bought this with my own money. Hashtag amen, y'all. Hashtag amen. I always say it. Hashtag love wins. Hashtag love wins. We ain't even talking about that right now, but you know, it always. And if ain't nobody wanna kiss you, then hashtag love wins. Advocate of hashtag love wins. Hashtag love wins on YouTube. Hashtag love wins. Hashtag love wins. Wins, 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 wins. Hashtag love wins. Hashtag not spawns. Hashtag segue anyway. Hashtag segue. Hashtag anyway. Swatch it. There you go. Swatch out. Hashtag swatch out. Watch out. Hashtag swatch out. Put a little bit because we cheap. Hashtag we don't got that money yet. Not monetized yet. Hashtag don't steal my fingerprint. Hashtag don't touch me. Also, hashtag not spawns. Hashtag will never be sponsored. Hashtag no one wants to sponsor this, but because it's just non-existent. Hashtag I'm gonna be alone forever. Hashtag super smooth t-shirt coming soon. No, they're not. Hashtag subscribe to Just Chab at youtube.com/justchab. Hey witness, hashtag witness. Actually, no, never mind, not hashtag witness. And ding ding, hit that notification bell if you want to see Chab do the Chab thing. Chab. Tips on being like Chab. Guide Santa's sleigh come through. Buy a flower crown from Forever 21. Ooh, yes, festival mermaid vibes come through. Number 2, pretend you're 21 like Chab, because Chab's not 21. Chab's a lot older than that. Hey, cheekbones, I am giving you cyborg realness right now. And number 3, that's as far as I know how to count up to. I am serving you face today. Y'all hungry? I'm serving you face. This triangle shape. Illuminati confirmed. Illuminati confirmed, y'all. Don't forget your double chin. Don't forget your double chin. Don't forget the double chin. Oh yeah. Don't forget your double chin. Oh yeah. And we got 2 cameras today. We got number 1 and number 2. Number 1, number 2. Number 1, number 2. Number 1, number 2. We professional. We professional. Get in there, you little pooper. I'm gonna call everything little poopers for now. Pooper once. Oh my god, a little pooper. I wanna say a little pooper. Ugh, little poopers keep coming out. Hey, little pooper. Get back here. Cat, why do you shut? Pooper scooper? Oh shoot. Look at that little pooper. Look at him right there, you little pooper. Oh, a little pooper right here. Thanks, Mom, for buying this for me because I am not on anyone's PR list. No one knows me. I have 100 subscribers. Love you guys. Chab, dang it. Look at my face! Look at this glitter! You see that, guys? That glass! Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Girl! Bing, 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 bing. Yeah. Ay, Dios mío. Stop! Oh, I gotta breathe now. Sorry, I was just getting excited. Shut up, baby! That's good. I got a baby, and you're the one to play. That's how the song goes. I'm just gonna watch the last 10 seconds of your video. I'm going crazy!